Hi kids, today we are going to start with a new lesson, Games We Play. Don't we all love playing games? In this lesson we are going to learn more about them. All the children were playing Stappu, hopscotch, in the lane. Avantika and her sister Nandita were also playing, but Nandita was not able to play the game in the right way. Avantika says, "Listen to me carefully, Nandita. Understand the game. Throw the marker, the thippi, in the first box. Then on one leg, jump over this box into the next one. Keep in mind you can put both your feet down together only in the boxes marked 4, 5 and 7, 8. Take care, your feet should not touch the lines. If it touches, you are out of the game. When you reach the last box, turn around. When coming back, pick up the marker and bring it back. Now, throw the marker in the next box. Similarly, keep throwing the marker in all the boxes one by one and continue the game." The children started playing again. Since long, Chachi was watching them play. She too felt like playing with them. She could not keep herself from asking, "Can I play with you?" The children laughed aloud. Avantika says, "Chachi, you will play?" Chachi, "Do you think I do not know how to play hopscotch? At your age, we played so many different games." Nandita says, "Which games did you play, Chachi?" Chachi says, "Langri tang, hide and seek, 7 tiles and so many more. In Kabaddi, our team was the best among 10 villages." Rajat, "Chachi, how did you get so much time? We hardly get any time to play." Chachi said, "You are so busy watching TV all the time." Nandita said, "Chachi, did Chacha play these games too?" To which Chachi said, "Your Chacha says that he used to play marbles, 7 tiles, wrestling, kabaddi, gilli danda and so many other games the whole day. While flying kites, he would even forget his meals." Nandita said, "Chachi, do come and play." Chachi started playing with the children. They had been playing just for a short while when it started raining. All the children said, "Oh no!" Chachi said, "Let us go to my house. We will play inside." The children were happy to hear this. All the children said, "Come on, let us go to Chachi's house to play." The children came to Chachi's house. Inside the house, Chacha and Bua were playing chess. Avantika said, "What should we play?" Rajat, "Let us play house house." Many children said, "Yes, let's play house house." Rajat said, "If we had a doll, we could have played with it." To which Chachi said, "Do you want a doll? Let us make one right away." Chachi took out some old cloth. With Chachi's help, children made a doll. Some children wanted to play carom and others ludo. They formed groups and started playing. Games are classified into 2 groups, indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games are those games that are played inside a building or a house. Outdoor games are played outside a building or a house. Outdoor games are played in the playground. Some examples of indoor games are chess, carom, etc. And outdoor games are cricket, hockey, etc. Here is a picture showing kids playing a board game. This is indoor game. And here is a picture showing kids playing kabaddi, which is an outdoor game. Write the names of all the games mentioned in the lesson in the table below. Make a house in front of those games that one played indoors. Against the outdoor games, make a tree. Don't forget to write the number of players needed for the game. If some other things are also needed to play the game, then write their names as well. So in this table we see hopscotch. Hopscotch is an outdoor game which needs more than 4 players to play this game. The only thing that you need is a marker. The next game is hide and seek. This game can be played both indoors and outdoors. More than 5 players are needed to play this game. The things needed is a place to hide. Next game is 7 tiles. It is again an outdoor game which needs more than 4 players to play this game. You will need pieces of ceramic to play this game. Next game is marbles. Marbles is an outdoor game. More than 5 players are required to play this game. Things needed are small glass marbles. Wrestling. Wrestling is an indoor game. A number of players needed to play this game is 2. You don't need anything to play this game. The next game is chess. Chess is an indoor game. Only 2 players can play this game at once. To play this game, you will need a chess board and chess pieces. Next is flying kites. It is an outdoor game and number of players needed is 1 or more. Things needed are a kite and thread. The next game is kabaddi. It is an outdoor game played between 2 teams. There are 8 players in each team. You don't need anything to play this game. With this, we come to the end of this lesson. In this lesson, we learned about the different games that children play. We also learned about indoor and outdoor games.